This has been the routine for most Samsung users, always checking for update and they keep getting your software is up to date. Check back later. So let's hear what Samsung has to say about this rollout. From their website, you can see they said the rollout will start from the 7th of April, which is this month, and they said it will start from the US. So meaning this update is location dependent. So for those staying in maybe Canada, UK, Nigeria, South Africa, other places, the rollout time might be different. But hopefully before the end of April, the rollout should be global. So they say we start with the S24 series, the Z Fold series, and the Flip series, and it will gradually roll out to other smartphones and tablets. So, and you can see under the availability section, they say they still repeated the same thing. So let's keep our fingers crossed. From now till the end of April, the update should be available for your device. So I don't know for A series. I don't know about. But let's keep our fingers crossed till then. Thank you.